Hello everybody, I want to do a video about what's in my bag and my makeup bag. Yeah, I think it's called, yeah, and this is, actually it's a backpack. What's in my backpack, because I hate, shoulder bags. They should have a wood shoulder, because, I don't like them, so have a backpack. And I don't know where you can get one if you think they're cool. And some of you will maybe think it's ugly, but I think it's well cool. And like this. And if you live in Denmark, you can maybe get one, or maybe you have one. I don't know. Actually, it's my mom's old backpack, but yeah, I use it. I have there was nothing. In this little room, I have a minute. Plat, I don't know what it's called in English, but it's if you have a when you bleed, you can, if you cut you on something for example here, and you bleed, and you can put it. I can't remember what it's called. On Danish it's called plaster. Of course. Headphones. Yeah, from Nokia. And more of this. I always have some of this. I can't remember what it's called. Sorry. On me, because I don't want to have blood all over my, for example, hand or something. So I have in this big room here, I have my purse. Wait, money. Okay. Money. Okay. Money. Danish money. And maybe this is crazy, but I have the thing I don't remember what it's called in my purse. Cause why not? And yeah, some coupons, one coupon, and so I can remember which hair color I use. 1 minute. So, and look, my purse look like this. And it's some pieces, and yeah, I have a book, because I love to read stuff, so why not a book? This is a Danish book called Krigeren, with the middle rider. It's like a middle-aged soldier. I can't remember what it's called. It's by a Danish. The one that has, forget what I say. Is the number 2 of a trilogy. When there's a series, when there are 3 books, and there's 1, 2, and 3, and I can't remember what it's called. And this is the number. Oh, Oh. Number 2 is called Rian. Bag Bogens Mor. Yeah. It's the yeah, the middle-aged soldier. I can't remember what it's called. Sorry. Behind the castle's walls thing. I can't remember. Something block. Well, I can read stuff. Something to read, right? Tissues. Tissues. Hand cream. This is from Rishi. And it smells so good. It smells like rose. So good, so fucking good. Sorry that I used the F word. Sorry. For I used the F word. My camera. This is a Canon Digital EX something. My iPad Shuffle, 2 gigabytes. 2 months. No, I need more. iPad with more gigabytes. My phone. Stop. It's a Nokia Z3 in pink, cause I love pink. And yeah, I have put some glitter nail polish back here, cause I was bored. And the smiley. No, not the smiley. I can't remember what it's called, but I think like and it had a keyboard like this, and it's not a touch, cause touch give me. I actually don't like touch. Go in pink. I don't know if you can get it. Where you can get it, a lip balm from Henrik and Mowich, blood orange, and it smells so good, so fucking good. Okay, have I more? A mirror. I have a mirror. A mirror. I like this. I like it because it's a little hot and you just whee. I just like it. I just first put my things down. And so what is in my So what's in my makeup bags also in my backpack sometimes. In my makeup bag look like this. This is by Henrik and Mowich, I think. I don't know, this was a gift. And it's I only have one eye. This is very old and I like the little thing. Yeah, I think it's very cute because there's a green cat, and I love green and cats. I think cat is creepy. Yeah, I think cat is creepy. No, I think cat is sweet. And I have it's just like this inside. Yeah, of course. mascara, and this is William Lashes extra black from L'Oréal Paris, and this is black. Concealer from Manhattan Clean Face, and I use in Manhattan Clean Face because I'm very pale. It's not just the camera. I am pale. I called a ghost. And one have called me a ghost because I'm so pale. And my friends also called me a vampire because I'm so pale. It's okay. I use vanilla something. The lightest color. Yeah. It's broken. Yeah. Yeah. I don't know why I'm so pale. Maybe it's because I'm in my real hair. Real. This is my real hair, but my real hair color is blonde, dark blonde. Maybe it's why. And it's so creepy because I no, you can see it. Can't see it. My real hair color is very light dark brown, a light dark blonde. But my eyebrows, it's so dark. It's actually really dark. I have a eyeliner from Gush eyeliner pencil. It's okay. Eyeshadow in what's it called? Lavender. Just swatch. I know, yeah, the eyeliner wasn't black. I don't know if you can see it. No, you can't, but it's very light lavender. Lilac, what do you call it? A powder, compressed powder from Manhattan Clean Face in vanilla. What is it called? Some cream. A lip gloss from this was I got with a magazine. So if you live in Denmark, no, you can't get it. You can't. This is a very old magazine. It's yeah, and some lip balm. Yeah, and that was what there was in my backpack and my makeup bag. Yeah, and don't forget to subscribe. So you're really sweet. Hey.